Chef Mika Johnson. My friends call me Chef Mimi J. All right, so Quesadilla 2.0, here we come. I'm actually gonna do 4 different variations of the same thing, just to kind of give you a feel of the different things that you could do. You literally can turn this into whatever you want. Okay, so step 1 is going to be to have your tortilla. We're going to cut it so that we can go over, then over, then over. All right, how cool is that? So our first one that we're gonna do is a cheeseburger. Okay, so the first step is going to be to add our burger. My little second layer, I'll do my red onions, maybe a little bit of lettuce. So layer number 3, let's do some ketchup and mustard, right? What is a cheeseburger without ketchup and mustard? I'm gonna come back around to layer number 1 and do some tomatoes. Some of our favorite fast food chains only do 2 pickles, so we'll do the same. And then the cheese. There's no such thing as a quesadilla without cheese, people. So then, now we have our fold. Ooh. So imagine that. I'm gonna give this a nice good coating, and then straight on. I'm gonna go cheese side down first. While that joker is hot and going, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the Philly cheesesteak. You're gonna start off with your provolone and end with your provolone. I'm gonna go with the actual beef right here, and then peppers and onion. 1, 2, then 3. Cheese side down. As you can see, for this, we're gonna go with the spinach tortilla. So we're going to take all of the ingredients that you would have for, say, a blackened shrimp po' boy and make a quesadilla out of it. So remember, when you're doing these, think in quarters. And I'm going to do, I think, a little bit of this particular cheese, which is a blend of Colby Jack and cheddar. And then remember, 1, 2, 3, just like so. So for the barbecue chicken, I decided to use smoked Gouda. We're going to end with it and start with it. Like so. Just think about all the different things that you could do with this. If you want a quesadilla for breakfast, take your bacon, your egg, and your cheese, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have some wonderful breakfast quesadillas that I almost can guarantee your kids will eat. All right, there you have it, the tortilla trend that is all over social media. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy.